I really wanted to get back into school to do welding.
Max Hayes High School students wasted no time getting back to work. During remote learning, students weren't able to get that hands-on training.
So there was absolutely no hands-on that happened during the remote period. It was really a struggle for our school because there are certain skills that you can't learn via the computer.
It was kind of hard to teach hands-on from a distance, so we had to do a lot of improvisions.
Teachers like DeJuan Burns did what they could to keep students engaged during remote learning, but also prepared them to be ready to work once they got back into the classroom.
What I did was I created a couple of videos and connected them with questions, and also went on Kahoot, and turned it into a game so we all could play remotely.
Pablo, who is in the 10th grade, says he is happy to finally practice the techniques he has been talking about for months.
It feels good because now you can actually get the feeling and get the thrill and like the adrenaline of actually doing it. And to me, that's actually very important, and it's actually very fun.
Principal Derek Patterson says younger students like Pablo will be able to earn their certifications in their respective fields on time, and graduating seniors may have to put in some extra hours.
But we spent the whole first 7 months in the classroom. So now these last 3 months we can spend in the lab, and students can actually really get into and spend the time that's needed to earn those certifications and practice the skills that they need in order to know what's really going on.